What are you guys doing?
Oh, are you shooting a video?
Mm-hmm. Should I not be?
We're making a rocket.
Zach, what's it gonna be called?
It's gonna be called Fireball.
Fireball? That's a terrible name for a rocket.
Fireball. It's called a Fireball.
Yikes.
That's a terrible name for a rocket.
Okay, let's rethink that one a little bit.
It's called Cannonball.
Great.
Grab that piece of blue tape. Nope, okay, got your piece over there on your shelf. Hang on. Wrap it around the bottom so it doesn't float. It's just a temporary thing. Alright, now pick up the rocket carefully and hold it upright. Stay still, stay still, stay still, stay still, stay still. Like this one.
On board Missile Works RRC-2.
Yes, sir. Can I help you, sir?
We've got some
It's Dave Ramundi. Shout out to Dave.
Dave Ramundi. You're supposed to be watching this, sir. He is watching. He says so.
One or two?
Okay, we're armed on pad C4. I have a clear range and a clear sky. Joel Levinson's level 2 cert flight.
You're not going to push it?
Giant lead Firestorm on a J295.
Hey, can Zachary push the button?
Five,
Nope,
four,
that's all right.
3, 2, 1.
He wanted to push the button.
Smoke.
Into the clouds.
Missile Works RRC-2 on duty, and we have a guest button pusher. We're going to arm pad C3. We are hot, and we're going vertical in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push it. Oh yeah.
He's done this before. He's pretty good at it.
C4 J motor in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Oh, seriously? I had continuity over there.
And it looks like we might have burned the igniter. So we're going to try that one again in a little bit. 2, 1, launch. Awesome.
Okay, the tracker better work. Because
Turn on, then.
it's all right. Well, you're no fun.
Black Rock Desert.
That's better. How high did they say this one was going?
50,000.
All right, Aeropack, I think we're going to go this time. Again, Chris Atterbury, Cicerone M2245.
Minimum diameter.
And here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Is
Here
he
we go.
bummer. It's still going.
Out there!
And it's still using power.
I think that's just tracking smoke. Something went wrong.
It lost the fin.
It's still
That's
going.
what happens when you're on the bleeding edge.
It lost the fin.
What happened, Zach?
It lost the fin.
Wow. I don't think that one made it to 50,000.
We're gonna put this puppy up. Are we ready, guys? Alrighty, we're ready to fly and we're going vertical. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it. We got smoke. Here we go. Alright, baby, keep an eye on it. There it is. We got smoke again. Uh-oh. Heads up. Heads up.
Zachary, where are we?
In the dust storm.
Yes. We're in Black Rock Desert and wondering about the wisdom of this because it's become really hard to see and we're trying to find our way out of here. In a massive, nasty dust storm. All we're gonna do is go home.
And we just dragged the rocket 1 mile.
Yeah, our Firestorm rocket on a K motor. We got very lucky and found it being dragged along the ground by its parachute.
Like 1 mile.